If you ever found yourself juggling 10 different tools, one for email, one for funnels, one for appointments, and another for your CRM, then this video is for you. I'm Husnain Sultan from Xort Logix, where our team manages automations and system setups for agencies using GoHighLevel. In this video, I'll explain what GoHighLevel actually is, how it works, and why thousands of agencies are moving everything into this one platform. Let's start with the problem. Most businesses use a stack of tools: Calendly for booking, Mailchimp for emails, ClickFunnels for funnels, and HubSpot or Pipedrive for CRM. It works, but managing all of them together is painful. You know that. Data gets lost, automations break, and every subscription adds up as well. GoHighLevel was built to solve that exact problem by bringing all of those tools under one roof. GoHighLevel is an all-in-one CRM and marketing automation platform. Think of it as your control center for leads, clients, and communication. Inside one dashboard, you can actually capture leads through funnels and forms, nurture them through SMS and email automations, book appointments, manage pipelines, and even build websites. Everything in one place. So instead of switching between tools, GoHighLevel lets you connect everything into one ecosystem. GoHighLevel started for agencies, but now it's used by freelancers managing multiple clients, local businesses like gyms, real estate, and saloons, coaches and consultants automating their onboarding. Basically, if you manage leads and want automation, GHL can replace your tech stack. Inside GHL, there are two main views: agency view, where you manage all client sub accounts, and the second one is sub account view, where actual workflows, pipelines, calendars, and your funnels live. You can create sub accounts for each client or each business unit, and they all stay separate. This setup is what makes GHL powerful for agencies. You can duplicate automations, snapshots, and templates across clients in just a few clicks. Here's the real value. Once you understand GHL, you can automate entire systems. New leads get auto-texted and nurtured. Bookings and reminders happen automatically. Reports and follow-ups go out without touching a thing. That's why GoHighLevel isn't just a CRM. It's an automation engine that helps agencies scale fast without growing the manual workload. So that's a quick overview of what GoHighLevel is and how it fits into your business. In the next video, I'll walk you through setting up your GoHighLevel account step by step from the very first login to your first sub account. If you found this helpful, hit subscribe and turn on the bell icon, because we post weekly tutorials and automation insights straight from our work at Xort Logix. Thank you so much.